This changes everything. Are you fed up of drilling holes manually? I was scrolling through eBay the other day and I came across this little gem. Let me introduce to you Stabby Stein. It's a vintage Fobco 5/8 cap drill and it's chunky. This absolute beast already comes fully restored with an ABB inverter. Looks like the coils have been done pretty recently too, and I paid 140 quid for it. Also grabbed this cheeky little number for it. Record PV4 drill press vise, and it doesn't look like a piece of Swiss cheese. That's an old one, that. 30 quid. I've already had a look in here, but I'll show you what we got going on. But yeah, you can see I've already put the belt on the torquiest setting, ready to be drilling through some thick ass steel. Okay, so I've got a piece of 8mm thick steel here. That's clamped down. It's got a cheap bit in here. I still need to get a decent set of bits for this, but that should do for the demonstration purposes. Let's not forget my safety glasses. Got no cutting fluid either, so it's going to go in dry.
That's what she said!
Like butter. That would have taken me 10 times that length with a hand drill. Considering that's a cheap bit and there's no cutting fluid, pretty impressive. Stick around for the next episode and I'll introduce you to this little sausage and all. And no, it's not Dougal from Magic Roundabout. Thanks for watching. I'm going to play with this a bit more.